Depositing money into your PayPal account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your funds are added quickly and securely. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open the PayPal website or app and enter your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email address and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once logged in, locate the wallet option on the main menu. This section allows you to manage your funds and link bank accounts or cards. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In the wallet section, look for the option to add funds or deposit. Click on this option to begin the process of transferring money into your PayPal account. Step 4. Choose your funding source. You will be prompted to select a funding source. This could be a linked bank account, debit card, or credit card. Choose the one you wish to use for the deposit. Step 5. Enter deposit amount and confirm. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After following these steps, your funds should be available in your PayPal account shortly. If you encounter any issues, check PayPal's help section for assistance.